Tequila sour. Well, this cocktail is based with tequila, simple syrup, and freshly squeezed lime juice. So take your rock glass, keep it aside. Take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add 60 ml of tequila. $50 ml of simple syrup. $50 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. You don't need a strainer, just directly pour it in the glass. To garnish your drink, all you need is a lime wheel or a lime wedge. So use whichever one you like. So I'll be going with a lime wedge. You can directly put it in the glass or just put it over the rim. So I'll just drop it in the glass and well, there you go. That's your tequila sour. Wow, this is amazing. You gotta try this, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And please don't forget to drop me a comment below if you have any questions or any cocktails that you want me to do. So just drop me a comment below. And yeah, thanks for now. And cheers. Until next time.